You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people to ask around, like can you borrow money from Venmo? Venmo does not currently offer personal loans, but you may be able to access money through the following option. So watch the video to the very end because I don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button so it helps me out. So let's get started. So first thing is to check the Venmo credit card cash advance. So if you have a Venmo credit card, you can withdraw cash from an ATM and fee apply and interest start accumulating immediately. And also how to get cash from your Venmo credit card. So the first thing to do is to insert your Venmo credit card into an ATM, then enter your PIN, then set in the Venmo app, then withdraw a cash, then fees and limit apply. And that's how you can simply borrow money from Venmo. Also remember that Venmo does not offer a personal loan. So this method is actually help you to accumulate some fee over a very long time, then you can withdraw this money, and that's it.